The current situation in Afghanistan, for some reason, Pakistan has been blamed for the turn of events by politicians in the United States and some politicians in Europe. From this platform, I want them all to know the country that suffered the most, apart from Afghanistan, was Pakistan. When we joined the US war on terror after 9/11, 80,000 Pakistanis died. $150 billion was lost to our economy. There were 3.5 million internally displaced Pakistanis. And why did this happen? In the 80s, Pakistan was a frontline state in fighting against the occupation of Afghanistan. Pakistan and the United States trained mujahideen groups to fight for the liberation of Afghanistan.
ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।